Hello, up here in Kettle River with Murphy and Kylo. As you can recall, I wasn't able to fix the tractor tire, so we had a great guy, Doug of Doug's Repairs, come, and the tractor tire is fixed. He put a new tube in it and also refilled it with calcium chloride, so we should be good to go for a while. Can put it back in the container, which is really exciting. While I was up here, saw some otters in the river, so here's a look at that. Also saw some wood ducklings. We saw them last year as well, so this must be a place where the wood ducks come back to have their little ducklings. So beautiful day up here in Kettle River.